What's going on, everybody? I just wanted to say happy 4th of July to everybody. So I just recently posted on my Instagram a couple minutes ago about the new Firework Oreo Blizzard from Dairy Queen. And oh my god, it is so good. It's vanilla ice cream, Oreos, and Pop Rocks. It tastes like a bomb went off in your mouth. It's so good. Just like an explosion with the Pop Rocks, and just like it blew my mind. So make sure you guys try it. It is so good. Alright, have a good weekend or the good rest of your week. Make sure to follow my Instagram, Undead Zombie Army, and I will see you guys in the next video.